Okay, welcome to step 4 of the strategy. Now, this fourth step is actually a reinforcement. So, changing your environment, your routine, and your plan will ensure that you do not trigger the same actions. So, you do not allow the environment to create the same situations that lead to you doing the unhealthy habit. So even something as simple as moving the position of your desk or decluttering the house or just one place in the house, cleaning the house, just changing something slightly will ensure that you do not go on the same route. So take your mind and body by surprise. So you get out of the same routine. Routines are great. You'll see me talk about routines, but sometimes, as it is with physical exercise, you need to take your body and mind by surprise so that you strengthen it. Okay, so think of ways of how you can change your environment, your routine, and your plan slightly so you do not allow the same habits to be as easy to do as they were before. Okay, let's continue.